What's going on, tribe? Stopping through to give a message from my channel message oracle deck today. I turned down your man. Say thank you, bitch. Oh Lord. Hey, sorry. You're so fucking awesome. At the bottom of the deck, unleash your magic. So this feel like divine feminine snapping. Like it feel like divine feminine snapping. Like, bitch, we're not in competition. Chill out, simmer down. What was this? Unleash your magic wanted to come out again. I feel like you're being called a lot to speak on, you know, what it is that you want to speak on. Like it's over for being the good girl all the time and, you know, being the bigger person. You need to use that throat chakra, start telling people what it is. I feel like that's your path. Like, you're supposed to be doing that. What else, Spirit? You're supposed to be making noise. Yes, thank you, Spirit. Yeah, you already have what you need to succeed. Like, don't doubt it. Don't second guess it. Communication is the key. Just feel like you're not speaking up what it is, speaking up for yourself and speaking up for what it is that you want. You're not declaring and decreeing. Thank you, Spirit. You're not declaring and decreeing what yours is already yours. What you want is already yours. It's my season. Nobody's gonna hold me back. I feel like you listen to the woes of others versus, you know, listening to yourself in a lot of situations. You look for approval, and you're starting to, you know, let people know, like, no, I don't. You've moved past that. Thank you. Mugwort, vision, moonlight, dreams. What messages are whispering to you from behind the veil of sleep? Yeah, the things that you dream about, because it's that. I feel like that's why that popped out. Like, bitch, I turned your man down. I slept alone. I had dreams of where I'm trying to be, and that don't involve your man. Bitch, simmer down. You're the one that's masculine focused. You know, you've been initiated into the dark. Oh, what? Thank you, Spirit. You've been initiated into the dark so that you can build your sensuality and that fire spirit. One more. Do we got time for one more? I don't think we got time for one more try, but own your femininity, own your dark and light side. Your dreams are there for a reason. You